Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to use ServiceTitan for HVAC business. So the very first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then we just have to search for ServiceTitan. Okay, so just go here at the top and then type out ServiceTitan, and you'll be able to see this first website, and then just click on this one. Okay, and then you'd be directed to this page. Now right here, you can sign into your account, or you can contact them by clicking on this get a demo option. Okay, and then here just have to request a personalized demo, and just put here the important details, including the industry type. So we have HVAC, and then here the number of the techs, and then do you have at least one full-time office employee. So just have to input all of these details and click on agree and continue. So for this one, I'm going to discuss to you the different advantages if you are using the ServiceTitan for your HVAC business. So here, just go to the residential, and here for the trades, we have the HVAC. So just have to click on that one. Okay, so here the ServiceTitan powers the HVAC businesses to the next level. So from boosting productivity and delivering real-time views of profit and performance to providing tools that scale businesses, ServiceTitan is software built to help the HVAC businesses to solve the challenges they'll face now and in the future. Okay, so here when we scroll down, can boost the workflow efficiency, impress the every customer, achieve maximum profit, and scale beyond your needs. Okay, so now let's start with the commercial. Here we have the proposals, the job posting, the CRM reporting, the service agreement, the accounting, the pricing, and then the client portal. So for the proposal, okay, so generate and send branded professional proposals and code with multiple options that automatically convert to agreements as soon as your customer accepts. Okay, so that's for the HVAC proposal software. Next, the job costing. So gain real-time job costing insights, including the labor, materials, and profit margins to accurately bid every commercial HVAC job and hit revenue targets. For the CRM, so access actionable data on equipment history, customer insights, and invoices from a central hub that's easily accessible from the field of the office. And for the reporting, so leverage custom reports, analytics, and dashboards to better manage businesses, performance, and discover insights to grow your commercial HVAC business. Next, we have the service agreement. So easily manage recurring services. We also have the accounting, the pricing, and then the client portal. Now for the construction, we have HVAC project management software. We also have the HVAC billing, crew management, accounting integration, inventory, estimating, the dynamic forms, and then DWIP reporting. Okay, so next for the residential, we have here marketing, scheduling, estimate. We also have the customer experience, the dispatching, the mobile app, the invoicing, as well as the HVAC accounting software. So basically, the ServiceTitan is all-in-one software made for HVAC, or it's called heating, ventilation, and air conditioning businesses to help them run their operations more smoothly. So overall, the ServiceTitan helps the HVAC companies save time, look more professional, and earn more by keeping everything organized in one system. So we have this job scheduling, dispatching, estimating invoices, customer records, payment, and reports. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.